Welcome once again. Welcome everyone, and we all are here for our another meeting of EdTech Talks. So we are a part of this PMT Club group and we meet every Saturday, and I would like to welcome you all on behalf of planmytrainings.com. Okay, so let me share my screen first of all. So before we start with the speeches of you all, I want to share a little background and a little bit about the vision of this meeting. Why this came up, why I thought about it, and what all we will do in future. All right. So EdTech Talks is part of a PMT club that I run under the banner of planmytrainings.com. So it is a club of trainers, speakers, and professionals who are interested in enhancing their speaking skills in any field. EdTech Talks is an initiative within PMT Club wherein we talk about education and technology, HR, training, all these domains. We often organize virtual as well as live face-to-face conferences and seminars. So these are the images of some of the speakers, eminent speakers of our past conferences. We did some virtual conferences in the past, and these were the people who gave speeches over there. In future, I want you all also to participate in all these meetings and conferences the way we had here. So now today we are meeting. These meetings are part of the practice meetups, right? So today we are going to speak. These are all practice meetups. But once in a quarter or something like that, we will be organizing conferences where we go much more prepared, and that will be the platform for us to give our best, right? So that is one of the major focus, major vision from my side. That is the reason why I have started these weekly meetups. This was our last meetup. Some ground rules. Now, all of you, when you are here, these are the ground rules: that other brand promotions, hatred talks, discouraging others, politics, adult speeches, violence, religion, these are the things that we will not talk about. Brands, only Plan My Trainings and partners brands we will display over here. I hope you understand why so. It is our initiative, and of course we cannot offer this platform as a brand promotion for any other brand unless it is mutually agreed, right? But self-promotion, yes, you as a speaker, as trainer, as a professional, you are free to promote yourself as a great speaker, as a learner, or as an educationist, whatever field you are an expert in your field. So this platform gives you a self-promotion platform so that you are able to share your expertise with others. Respect for all. We all show respect for each other. We learn and stay positive. And let us keep inviting friends, and let us expand our horizon. Let us expand this group, and let us build a large PMT club so that we all get a big audience for our speeches, and we grow as a family. All right. Benefits, as I mentioned, weekly meetups, quarterly virtual conferences. We will be holding those. Offline conferences, we will be having those, and we will also be having some competitions and some panel discussions. Like here you can see there are theme-based meetings, panel discussions, competitions, awards, educational sessions by experts from various fields like digital marketing, sales, speaking, from all various domains. I have the vision to call people once in a month or so to talk about their expert area, and that is how we also learn something new with these meetings. That is one of the focus from my end. The opportunities that you get, you speak to improve. When you get a chance, you speak, you improve. You learn new topics, and from your speeches, you learn to learn about your topic, as well as when you listen to others, you learn new topics, and from their speeches, what they are doing good, what are the areas of improvement. From looking at others, you learn as well. You get a chance to become a host, panelist, speakers, keynote speakers, all of these things. In future, you get a chance to have all these, become all these. We will have competitions, so you get a chance to compete and win awards for speaking. As a trainer, if you are from the training field, education field, or similar, then you get a platform to practice your training topics. So you speak on your training topic, your expertise area, you practice some games, activities, whatever you want to do. You can reach out to me and we can have that within this meeting. And last but not the least, we all expand our network. We all are here. I'm from Delhi, Anu is from Mumbai, Nubuwa is from Hungary, and Anju is from Ahmedabad. So all parts of India and even world, we would be having people from various places all over the world, right? Requirements. I want you all to make things easier for me and for you all, so that we have our regular meetings. Attendance is something which is mandatory for all of us. We all need to join. Unless we join, how we would expand our group? That is what is needed. Joining, regular attendance, and on time is something that I request you all, and I want you all to help me out in this. All right, regular speech delivery. You get this platform, and the requirement is that you come up with your topic and you speak up, and that's how you would learn. So it's okay to listen also, but then yes, come up with your speech delivery as well. Follow the rules in every meeting, the rules that I have mentioned. Follow those rules. That is a strict requirement, that all the rules that I have mentioned in the previous slide, that should be followed by each and every one of us. About me, you must have seen my videos. I have 20 years of experience in HR training, public speaking. I'm the founder of Plan My Trainings, and yes, this is my initiative. A quick introduction about me, so that just in case you are wondering whom you are listening to, this is what is all about me and the initiative. I have shared the vision about this EdTech Talks, and what I look forward to. I want to create this as a platform for each and every one of us in such a way that we all get to network more and more, and we all get this platform as a platform to speak, compete, and go to a bigger level, at the stage level, where we stand in front of an audience and we speak confidently. So with that quick introduction about this club and its mission, I would now like to invite the speakers. So Anushri is the speaker for the day. So Anushri.
Yeah. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. I am Anushri Ghanekar, and in the PTM club, as we discussed on last Saturday, we were discussing regarding the theme career growth. So I spoke about tell me about yourself, means how to crack the interview round, tell me about yourself. So this is actually very basic question, and in fact interview begins with this round. But in today's session, I would like to highlight this question again, and here I would like to add some value addition by preparing script regarding this topic. because what I feel, last time I have given insights and glimpse of how to answer the question, tell me about yourself. But to, for actual implementation of it, just preparing a script by your own and presenting it or practicing it rather important. So what I have done means I have googled up the things, I have gone through multiple videos, and I took the help of generative AI, like the chat gpt. So when you put any topic in chat gpt, it will give you inputs or material or ideas regarding anything. So to have that professional stuff, definitely we can refer to the chat gpt or any other google up things. So here what I have done, I have prepared a script for myself. So if imagine that I'm going to attend interview, and recruitment panel or the interview panel is asking me question, or in fact interview has been started with this question, tell me about yourself. So here what I can tell or how it can be effective, just I will demonstrate you with the short script. So I will answer like this. Good afternoon. I'm Anushri Ghanekar. I'm working in IT, retail and manufacturing industry from last 15 years, and from last 11 years I'm a part of IT industry, and in IT I'm working on SAP on-premise system and now on the HANA platform as well. So as far as my professional experience is concerned, here right from the beginning I was not into IT. I was into HR. I was working as an assistant manager with Reliance Retail, and I was responsible for handling the entire life cycle of the employee, that is our tour, right from recruitment till retirement. But the tool was SAP. So by the virtue of this latest technology, it took me an interest, and I pursued global certification in SAP HR, which landed me to shift my career from HR to hardcore IT. And now in IT, I'm working as a SAP HR functional consultant and as a team lead. So here my job profile is including gathering requirement from the client, then doing the feasibility study with the team, and demonstrating the client what we can achieve, or how we are flexible to provide the solutions to the clients based on our initial studies in detail. And generally, if the enhancement or development is going on, it is required, then help of the technical team like ABAP for coding or do the programming, it is required. So considering all this, generally we give the efforts and cost to the clients. Once it is approved from the client, then we start working on the actual things. So, and here my job profile is include get the development done from the technical team, do the testing, then show it to the client and test along with them in the quality system. Client will also test from their end in the quality system, and if client is happy, if he is okay, then we move the development to the final server, that is the production server. In between, if any modifications are required, so we are always welcome to that and we are doing it. So this is, and apart from that, we are imparting training to the client for the developments or for the new enhancements what we are doing in the SAP system. So this is all about my profile. In short, I'm ensuring that my users, that is users from the HR department, should work seamlessly with the latest technology. So that is all about my profile, and here I'm enjoying that. So I can say I'm a wave rider. Then to learn the new things, it is my passion, and I'm imparting the same in my job as well. So here is, we are working as a team. So here all efforts are the team efforts rather than the individual contributor. But yes, if anyone in the team is is an individual contributor, so to grow further, Yes, and I'm happy, and I would like to, take the opportunity to acquire new and challenging job profiles in this field. So thank you. It was all about myself. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, Anu, for preparing and giving this speech, being the speaker for the day. Thanks a lot. And a big round of applause
Thank
for
you all.